I have a really good feeling about today. We've been looking at houses. We did find one that we've been going forward with, but we're not in love with it. But the other day one was posted online that was literally perfect, and we're going to see it today, and it feels too good to be true, but I have a really good feeling about this. It's very early. I could have slept more, but I'm too excited to sleep, so cross your fingers for me.
So it has been a while since I filmed that last clip. Almost a year, actually. It is now July, and I filmed that clip, I think, in October or November. And surprise, we got the house, and I am so excited. I love it here. We moved in like a month and a half ago, so I don't know, I haven't really been filming anything. As you can see, my hair is neglected because look how long these roots are. I've been wearing my hair straight just because it's quicker for me to do lately, but I will probably get back into the wavy stuff, but for now I wanted to just kind of show my face, show what's happening with my life, and I don't know, give you a tour of the house for if anyone is interested. I don't know if you are. But you're gonna see my house. It's still a work in progress. Let me just switch around just so you can see what I'm talking about. This is the garage, but right now it's still just full of junk. I mean, I'm taking my sweet time organizing the house. So coming up through the garage, through here we have, it's a bit dark in here, washing machine, I've got that going, clothes hanging up. All of these shelves are to be put up, and I'm gonna store stuff on them. We need to get a new washing line and also move it a bit further away from the wall so we can put shelves. In here is just like a storage room, and there is the boiler, and then there's another door to outside. You can tell that I'm not used to filming because the amount of times that I've been talking and using the camera over the past couple of days without even filming is ridiculous. So here we have the little entrance, the front door. This is currently a work in progress. We're working on the electrical stuff. Here we have rubbish to be thrown out. Yeah, haven't done any decorating or furnishing in there yet. As you walk in, this is the entrance, stairs going upstairs. We have shelves there, which I want to maybe paint. People that were renting, they left this, so at the moment we're just utilizing it here. Put our shoes. This right here, my favorite toy right now. It hoovers, it mops. Call me lazy, but I love it. In here is the shoe closet. I don't think we're gonna really be using it for shoes. We're probably just gonna use it as a storage room. Boxes there because still unpacking, still sorting shit out. Then when you come this way, there is a little mini bathroom. Very mini bathroom. Hello. I haven't done anything in here. I might, I don't know, do something with the mirror. I'm not really a huge fan of it. That picture was there when we came. I might get rid of that. I might change, like, for the toilet paper, change the toilet brush. But yeah, I'm doing everything little by little, taking my time. In here we have the kitchen. It's a bit of a mess. Again, I'm still organizing, still sorting stuff out. We've started to put fly doors to try and not have as many flies coming in. There's my dog having a pee. So we do have a pool, but it is not functional. It is very dirty, so I don't know, eventually maybe we'll clean it and hopefully it can be usable eventually, but that'll be far off into the future. Okay, let's go and see the rest of the house. In here is the living room. I think I'll take you in there last because that is my favorite room. I freaking love that room. So then we come down here, and then there's a little hallway to kind of like the bedroom areas. First up on my left, we have a bathroom. Right now, this is the cat's bathroom, basically. I think originally this bathroom was decorated for kids because it has a very childish theme. I do not like the green. I'm thinking eventually I want to paint the tiles like a dark navy blue and do gold fixtures in here. So that's my plan with the bathroom. This is guest bedroom, again full of junk, although it doesn't look as bad as what it was. My dad and brother are coming to visit in a week and a half really, so I need to organize this before they arrive. Again, I think this used to be a kid's bedroom, so I guess their kid at the time when they made this house must have really liked lime green. Eventually I'll decorate that, but I'm in no rush. Here, another spare bedroom, but we're using this as our office space. Very, very messy, very unorganized. The cat is over there right now. I need to organize this. I really want it looking cute. And then you come into like the entrance to our, I don't know, suite, I guess you would call it. So you have this little entryway here, shelving there. In here, I have a walk-in closet. I've finally unpacked all of my clothes. I got these boxes off Amazon to organize my clothes, and I love them. They're so good because I just pull them out. You can see what you have, easily grab things, and it makes it look more tidy than what is going on that shelf. So in here we have our bathroom. I feel like, I don't know, it's missing something. I do not like that sink. But I mean, that's what I've got to work with right now. These for soaps, and for here I got this in Zara. Red and black is not matching the vibe, so I need to get like beige or something. I need to get a black bin from here. I found one also in Zara that I really like. I'm gonna change the toilet roll holder and change toilet brush down there. And then aside from that, I don't really know what to do, but I feel like it's really missing something. Like the space could be elevated even more. Maybe it's missing plants, I feel like. And then the sink area, I feel like that is also missing something. I don't know. I mean, if anybody has any suggestions, I'd love to hear them. This was already here. We're gonna get rid of that and instead put something that we bought from the old house, which is this shelving unit. And then here we have our bedroom. I am obsessed with like this shade of green lately. We need to hang up the headboard, which I think is going to make a huge difference. I maybe want to put like shelving on that wall and add knickknacks and decoration. Over here is my makeup desk. It's a bit of a mess. I got this for my perfumes. I love it. I think it makes it look really organized. And for my makeup, I got this for my brushes. I found this diffuser in the shop, and the green is like the perfect shade, and I loved the smell, so of course I got it. I finally got myself a jewelry box after living in Spain for like, I don't know, 9 years and not having one. All my jewelry is nicely organized and it looks so cute. I got this cute bin as well. This they left here when they moved, and I feel like this brown kind of fits the vibe with the green, so I'm going to be keeping that. These are going to be changed, I think. They left this chair here. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I mean, it's okay. And then we have like a little patio out here. Also, the cat is sleeping. So let me take you back through and I shall show you upstairs. Oh, look at these skylights here. They're a bit moldy at the top. You can't see, thank God, because of all the light coming in. So when you go upstairs, old mattress that we need to throw out. I think it adds a nice touch to the decoration. Boxes, because yesterday I was organizing this bookshelf with some books and some board games that my boyfriend has. I think it's looking quite cute. It's coming along nicely. Over here we have a little patio balcony area. In here, a bathroom. They really liked the bold colors. I mean, I don't really know what the decision-making process was here. And even here, look, it matches. I'm not a fan. There's a little sneak peek of the lounge down there. I think you can see why it's my favorite room. Here there's tiny little balcony. Just change the settings so you can see properly. There's a little storage thing there. You don't hear or see anyone here. It's so peaceful. So here we had 2 guest bedrooms. We're gonna put the gym in here. So this was one room, and then the wall in the middle has been knocked down, and there is the other room. And they didn't realize that the wiring for some reason was going diagonal through the wall, so they were just bashing the wall and then it cut. So we're eventually getting that fixed, but I mean, as you can see upstairs, like, we're not really using it right now, so we're not in any rush really to get it fixed. Oh, let me show you the view from up here. This is the living room. This furniture, love it. This is a shelf here that's going to be hanging up over the radiator over there eventually. This table was here when we got here. It was in the kitchen. Eventually I'm going to be getting rid of it, and I want to get a smaller, like, round cute table for the kitchen. At the fireplace, oh my god, I love it. And then I got these to match. So this one I think we're gonna be moving because it kind of covers the switches. That is gonna move and go over there where that one currently is, and then that one is gonna hang on the wall here. I'm scared that they're gonna look a bit too close together, but oh well. And then that one, once it's hung up, I need to add glass shelves and the door, which is currently here, and then I have to decorate those and put it how I like. Coffee table, I need to clean it. I got that off Amazon. I feel like it matches the other furniture pretty well. This rug cost me an arm and a leg, but I think it looks nice. And then the sofa, gorgeous. Eventually, when we get rid of the table, we'll be moving the sofa and the rug back a little bit to give more space over here. So as you can see, I have had a lot on my plate. I have been so busy. The house is still very much a work in progress. Although I feel like once you own a house, I mean, I don't know, I've never owned a house before, but I feel like, is it not always a constant work in progress for the rest of your life? I feel like it is. Let me know if you would like any house updates. I mean, I don't know what I'm organizing, decorating. I don't know if you're interested in house content, but I'm willing to make it. I would not have seen myself with a house in a million years, but here I am. We're glowing and growing.